Okay, picture this. You're in a gray, fluorescent-lit office. Your inbox looks like a live crime scene. Your boss pings you with a quick chat. No context, just vibes. The AC is blasting straight into your soul like it has a personal vendetta. And right in the middle of it all, your brain whispers, "Why is this so hard for me? Why does everyone else seem fine?" Let's just say it. Corporate work was never built for neurodivergent brains. The noise, the meetings, the rigid schedules, the fake small talk where Karen from HR wants to circle back again. This whole system, it was built decades ago for one kind of brain, and it wasn't ours. But here's the twist. The future of work is shifting, and neurodivergent people, we're not behind. We were ahead this whole time. Hey friends, I'm Nicole. I help neurodivergent creators thrive with AI one calm tool, one simple workflow at a time. If traditional work has ever made you feel inconsistent, lazy, too much, or not enough, this is your sign that nothing was wrong with you. Today we're breaking down why ND brains struggle in corporate culture and what's replacing it. Because the problem was never your brain, it was the environment. Corporate culture is basically a sensory obstacle course pretending to be a job. You walk into an open office and you're hit with loud typing, buzzing fluorescent lights, microwave leftovers, someone's squeaky chair, overlapping conversations, and zero places to escape. Meetings every 45 minutes yank your brain from one task to another like a fish on a hook. You barely recover from one before the next calendar notification goes off. Then you open your inbox to a message that starts with, "Per my last email." "Okay, Brenda, I saw it. My nervous system just chose survival." And then there's masking the full-time performance on top of your full-time job. You rehearse before you unmute, you write emails 3 times before sending, you laugh because everyone else is laughing, even if you didn't catch the joke. Rigid schedules don't help either. ND brains work in bursts, not in perfect 9 to 5 blocks. Some days you're a creative hurricane, other days your brain is buffering. But corporate culture wants predictable output at predictable times, like you're some kind of productivity appliance. And right when you finally manage to get into focus mode, someone taps your shoulder. "Hey, got a second?" And there goes your thought, gone forever into the void. Performance reviews focus on consistency, compliance, and team fit, not creativity, innovation, or actual impact. It's a system built to reward conformity, not brilliance. And the sensory overwhelm, the lights, the noise, the clothes that don't feel right, the lack of privacy. Your brain isn't just doing your job, it's processing everything all at once. And now, here's the moment that hits home for me. I always hated how overstimulating corporate environments were. The buzzing lights, the constant noise, the forced socializing, it drained me. If I was tired, I couldn't rest. If my head hurt, there was no dimming the lights. If I needed 5 minutes to regulate, it instantly looked suspicious. At home, I can breathe. I can lie down if I need to. I can dim the lights. I can wear soft, comfortable clothes that don't make my skin crawl. I can let my nervous system catch up. In an office, you're stuck, smiling, nodding, pretending. You feel everything, and you have nowhere to put it. And somehow they still tell you you're the problem. But here's the truth corporate never understood. Neurodivergent brains are not broken. They're brilliant. We weren't built for beige cubicles and touch-based meetings. We were built for hyperfocus, the kind where hours disappear and the quality of work jumps 10 levels. When something matters, we move mountains. We were built for creative problem solving, the kind that doesn't follow straight lines. We think diagonally, backwards, upside down, sideways. Sometimes we are the box. We see patterns other people don't see. We connect dots they don't even notice. We learn through passion, not pressure. When we care, we binge learn our way into expertise. We feel things deeply: ethics, fairness, authenticity. We don't thrive in politics because we literally feel the wrongness in our bodies. These are strengths, massive ones. Corporate culture just wasn't built to use them. Now here's the good part. Because while corporate is stuck in the 90s, the world of work is evolving, fast, and it's evolving toward us. Project-based work. You're not judged by desk time. You're judged by outcomes. ND brains thrive when we work in bursts, deep-focused, autonomous bursts. Project-based work finally lets us do that. AI-assisted solo work AI is the best co-worker ND people have ever had. It doesn't interrupt, it doesn't judge, it doesn't ask small talk questions, it doesn't need a quick sync. With the right tools, one ND creator can become an entire studio. Writer, designer, editor, strategist, researcher, video creator, all while working at your own pace, in your own space, with your own brain rhythm. Calm careers. This is my favorite shift. Work that is flexible, quiet, autonomous, meaningful. Work you can do without masking. Work that fits your energy, not someone else's schedule. Calm doesn't mean easy. It means sustainable. It means work that feels like breathing, not drowning. And here's the twist. ND brains, we fit the future of work better than we ever fit the past. Creativity is now more valuable than conformity. AI takes the repetitive tasks so your brain can stay in its genius zone. Solo creators and freelancers are rising. Async work is normalizing. Deep focus is rare, and ND people have it in spades. We weren't behind, we were just early. If you're neurodivergent, the problem was never your brain. It was the environment forcing you into a shape you were never meant to fit. And this next era of work, it's finally being built for minds like ours. If your brain doesn't fit the old system, hit subscribe. I'll show you how AI can adapt to you. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.